In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to change your age on TikTok. So firstly, go ahead and open your TikTok app, and once there, go ahead and go to your profile on the bottom right corner, and once there, go ahead and tap on the three lines in the top right corner. And once there, go ahead and scroll down to find the report a problem. And once you've here in this section, go ahead and choose the account and profile, and go ahead and tap on editing profile, and from the drop down menu go to other, and once you get there, go ahead and tap on need more help. And in this section we must type in those details regarding the change of TikTok. For example, you're just having some hard time and you don't have any idea, and you can also state that you have a document regarding the show regarding your birth date is different from what's shown, and you can also provide some pictures and screen recording. And once you've done, go ahead and tap on submit, and they will get back to you as soon as they can. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.